Hi everyone, Natasha here, and around my home today I am in my office. It's early morning and it's going to be a rainy day, so there's not much sunshine yet, but that's okay. I'm very excited because I have the April Deluxe subscription box from Jane's Agenda to share with you today. So stay tuned for that and welcome to my office. Welcome back and happy first week of spring officially. We have had some sunshine and warm weather mixed with some cold and rainy weather, and it makes me excited because my daffodils are definitely blooming in the front yard, which is always a wonderful sign of spring. So I was very excited to get my deluxe subscription box this month from Jane's Agenda because it has me thinking about the new month and setting things up for April and more flowers and beautiful weather to come. So if you're new to my channel, welcome. I am an affiliate with Jane's Agenda, so I will have a special code linked in the description below where you can click on that. It'll open up the Jane's Agenda website, and with your first order as a brand new customer, you can get a special discount with my code. It doesn't cost you anything extra. It just lets them know that you found out about Jane's Agenda from one of my videos. So without further ado, let's take a look at this deluxe subscription box. There are 3 options on the subscription box. You can get just the cover, you can get just the planner and lifestyle accessories, or this is the 3rd option, which is all of it together. So I'm going to open the beautiful box and share with you what we have here. It just tells us how to get a hold of Jane's Agenda and where you can find them on social media. And I did a little better today on opening just a little bit so I could get everything out of the packaging and we could just jump right in. So the box did come with a special coupon code. I have that tucked aside and I'm excited to be able to place another order soon. And this is the first item we'll go through, which is the little pack of all the smaller goodies and the tour card, which tells us about everything in the box. So let me set all this aside and we'll go through each item individually. So this month, the theme for the box is astrology and astronomy together. So we have a fun collection here. I'm excited because it's some of my favorite things as well as some new and different things. And I have really been enjoying getting the deluxe subscription box because it's making me keep using my planner. It makes me excited to get into my planner, to set up a new month, and just to be using it because everything can be updated and fresh anytime I want. So this is the first item we'll start with. So this tour card doubles as a deco card. So this front says, we have calcium in our bones, iron in our veins, carbon in our souls, and nitrogen in our brains. 93% stardust with souls made of flames. We are all just stars that have people names. And that's a quote from Nikita Gill, which I think is so appropriate for this box and what a fun collection we have in store for us. Now, I did use one of the items in this little small collection here, the Friction Erasable Highlighter. I absolutely love all the Friction products. I have a collection of the highlighters and I was excited to get a new purple highlighter because mine, which I've had for quite a while, is getting pretty faded and about out of ink. So I'm happy that I have a new one, and I used that to go through and highlight any of the items that were labeled as subscription box special editions. So those are the items that are not currently on the website. They may be coming later, they may not. So getting the subscription box gets you first early access to those kinds of things, and if it's something that never comes to the website, then that's your chance to get to try it out as well. So we'll start out with the little quote cards here. So we have 2 quote cards. There's the sun and the moon. Let's see, I think it would go that way. So there's the sun and the moon image, which is beautiful. And this astronomy quote, it says, astronomy compels the soul to look upwards and leads us from this world to another. And that's a quote by Plato. Then we have these 2 cute oval paper clips in rose gold, and I love having little things like this just to decorate in my planner, have something a little different, so those will be fun to use. We have, of course, this Friction purple erasable highlighter. And I will just show you real quickly how this works. So just like the erasable pens, you let it dry for a second, and then the other end of the pen or the marker is the eraser, and it's just the friction, the heat that's caused from the friction that will erase and I love how accurate and neat it is to do that. So this is an exciting little collection so far already, just having some of these great tools that I like to use. And the final item is the washi tape, and this is a really pretty design, this rose gold foil celestial. So let's get this open and we can test this out. So that is a beautiful rose gold. I'm excited to have that as well. That'll be fun to have and use in my planner and just do a little bit of decorating if I want to and stay in theme. Then we have this beautiful page finder with the butterfly design and the stars and moons, and it looks like we have some constellations in there as well. I think this is such a fun twist on the astronomy mixed with the spring and butterflies. I think this is beautiful, and I'm excited to have something like this to start using in my planner for April. Then we have this translucent dashboard, and it says April at the bottom, April 2023, and we have constellations going around this design, and behind that we have two decorative dashboard sets, and both of these are special editions for the planner subscription box. And I love how they layer together. So we've got either this above the clouds design with that beautiful night sky and the clouds, and you can layer it under the vellum, or I also like this butterfly as well, the butterfly wing design, and that layers underneath too. So either way, it looks beautiful. So that's really fun to have that vellum dashboard along with the other two. Next, we have this Executive Weekly sample for April through June of this year. And this is a collection that will be coming to the shop, but not until July. So the subscription box users get the chance to try this out early for the second quarter. And I'm really excited about this. I love my daily planner inserts from Jane's Agenda. I've been using the Executive Daily Planner inserts, and as much as I love them, I'm also excited just to give this weekly design a try. So it's basically taking the two main parts of the Executive Daily pages and combining it all together to make a weekly view. So you still have an hourly section and then your task list section, plus a little spot at the top where you could put a header or your main things you need to get done for the day. You could kind of use that in multiple ways. So I'm excited to try this out, and I was happy that we actually got the last several days of March with this collection, because I think I'm going to jump right into it in March. This really does give me a lot of the same features that I like about the Executive Daily inserts, but I also think it'll be nice to have this weekly spread. And I'm excited because I do have the cleaning tracker tip-in, which is just a little sheet. I'll show you here. This is the cleaning tracker tip-in. So I was thinking this would be nice because I could easily use this alongside this weekly design, because then I don't have to worry about putting any of my household tasks on my to-do list. I can just keep this tip-in going for those kind of around the home things, and then have my work and other items that are listed on my to-do list. So I'm excited to give this a try and see how these Executive Weekly planning pages work out for me. So that is something else. Now we have another planner subscription box special edition. So this is the reversible dashboard set that is called Astrology. So on one side, we have this beautiful stars and moons design with the constellations in it. And then on the other side, we have this sort of map or, old world style design. So you could have that look as well on your planner if you wanted. So let's see, it would go like this or like this. So you can use that under your cover that comes in the box this month. Next, we have these divider labels, and these are a transparent sticker, and I'm so excited because these pair with the next item. So let me take these out and we can just take a look. So we have 1 through 6 and January through June, actually January through December, and then some other ones that would just be general things you might want to divide out in your planner. So we have meal plan, business, inbox, tasks, projects, home, next actions, goals, self-care, reference, medical, and notes. So I'm excited because I want to start using these along with these beautiful set of 6 glass-like clear dividers, and I was actually just thinking that maybe I needed to start getting something like this. These other 5 I've already taken off this little plastic cover that comes on both sides, but I just wanted to show you when you first get it, if it looks a little bit cloudy, then that just means you need to take off both sides. And I have found one side's usually pretty easy, and then the other side takes a little more work. You could label these other things if you didn't want to use these divider labels. Then we have this saddle stitch notebook in the star design. So this is just a little lined notebook that you could tuck inside your cover of your planner. I'm actually waiting on my green cover to come in. I got to order one and I'm so excited to get it. So I will be looking forward to tucking this into the cover that I'll be adding to my planner. And then of course we have our planner cover. So this is the laminated dashboard set in this gold foil with the zodiac design, which is just beautiful. And I choose to get the elastic ribbon so that way I can close up my planner and just keep it all a little more secure. So we'll have that. And of course these layer really well with the reversible dashboard set. So you can do that dark navy blue under there and have the little celestial design layered if you want, or you can do the reverse side and have the old map or the old illustration there, which I think they both look really cool. I can't decide which one I like better. I think this one lets the design on the cover stand out a little more. So I'll have to think about that and decide which one I want to use. And then the final item is this accessory pouch that is clear with a black tint. And the nice thing about this is that you can stand up your pens. So like I typically have been using this pen pouch that came in, I think it was the January subscription box. But you know, you could keep all your pens and markers in here. Let's see if my Tombow marker fits in there. So everything could be just tucked right alongside your planner. And I think that would be a nice little addition. And I like having the clear pouch or the see-through pouch where you can see the pens that you're looking for and grab those quickly and easily. So that's another nice little addition that we have in the box this month as well. So there we have everything that came in the April Deluxe subscription box from Jane's Agenda. This is an elegant and sophisticated design and look and feel for my planner. So I'm excited to set up my planner for the month of April and put some of these goodies to use. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to check the description box down below so you can find my special shopping link and my code if you're a new customer to Jane's Agenda. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button if you like seeing these kinds of unboxing videos and my planner videos. And I will look forward to seeing you again soon. I'll have my Tiny Tidy Tuesday video up where I'm going through my basement one box at a time every Tuesday. And on Fridays, I'm sharing a beautifully organized in 52 weeks video where I'll choose another card from the set and we'll work on a new space in our homes. So thanks again for joining me. Have a good one, and I will see you next time. Bye.